Class, class, class. Yes, it's Mrs. Quinlan, and we're going to be talking about rounding. I want to see how much you guys remember about rounding. So right here on page 12 in our textbook, it says, a reporter is rounding 845 to the nearest hundredth for a headline. What number will be in the headline? So you can use a number line to round. 845, right here they plotted it. Is that closer to 800 or 900? Well, right here you can tell that yes, indeed, it's closer to 800. But what if you don't have a number line? Good question. Let's think back about how we were taught. So the number is 845, right? We're rounding to the hundreds. 4 is going to tell us what to do. So the choices would be 800 or 900. 845 is somewhere in between those two numbers. Now, we know 5 or more, increase the score. 4 or less, give it a rest. So 4 or less, this would be rounded to 800. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Okay, we're supposed to be doing numbers 1 through 20. So let's look at number 1. Shay, notice I'm using a pencil. This is for you, Shay. Okay, we have 425. And we're rounding again in the hundreds. So we underline the number in the hundreds. And 2 is going to tell us what to do. So our choices are 400 or 500. So it's 5 or more, increase the score. 4 or less, give it a rest. 2 is 4 or less. So we would round 425 to 400. Now let's look at number 2. It's 575. So what number are we going to underline? Yes, we're going to underline 5. And which number tells us what to do? You're right. 7 tells us what to do. So our choices are going to be what? 500 or 600. And what does 7 tell us? What's that little poem? 5 or more, increase the score. 4 or less, give it a rest. 5 or more, increase the score. 575 is going to be rounded to 600. Okay, let's try another one, number 3. Number 3 says 625. Okay, what number are you underlining? Do it now. Yep, 6. What number tells you what to do? 2. What are our two choices? 600 and 700. What does 2 tell us? Go ahead, say the little poem in your head. Okay, which one did you choose? Say it in your hand. Let it go. I hear you, 600. So you guys do remember. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do number 4. 4 is 750. Uh-oh. Which one gets underlined? 7. Which one is going to tell us what to do? The 5. And our choices are 700 and 800. Remember, we just count by hundreds. And 5 is going to tell us what? 5 or more, increase the score. So it goes to 800. All right, baby birds, so I'm pushing you out of the nest. You're going to finish 5 all the way to number 20. Let me know if you have any problems. If you have any problems, bring your question to a Zoom, shoot me an email, shoot me a little email on Google Classroom. I love getting those little emails. Anyway, I miss you guys. Talk to you soon.